Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we are going to discuss bookwork of chapter number 4. In the previous part of the video, we discussed about the chapter more about the mouse, and in today's part we are going to discuss its bookwork. Before starting the bookwork, let's summarize the chapter what we learned. In this chapter, we discussed about different types of mouse. We have 2-button mouse, 3-button mouse and scroll mouse. In 2-button mouse, we have left button and right button. In 3-button mouse, we have left button, middle button and right button. And in scroll mouse, we have a scroll wheel in the middle of left button and right button. We also studied how to click the mouse, single click and double click. In single click, we have two types, right click and left click. And when we have to double click it, we have to double click on the left side of the mouse. Next, we learn about touch screen. So, now let's start the bookwork. Children, open page number 3434. Multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. In this question, we have to take the correct option. The mouse should be kept on dash. A, table, B, mouse pad, yes, C, book. Where we should keep the mouse so that it should be used softly, we should keep mouse on the mouse pad. Option number B, mouse pad is the answer. So, we will tick on option number B. Next, number 2. The dash mouse does not have a ball inside it. Which mouse does not have a ball inside it? Optical mouse, ball mouse or none of these. Children, we learned about 2 mouse, ball mouse and optical mouse. In ball mouse, there is a ball inside it and the movement is done with the ball, and in optical mouse, we have a light. So, which mouse does not have a ball inside it? Answer is A, optical mouse. So, we will tick on option number A, optical. Now, children, open page number 3737. Section A. First, what is the use of mouse pointer? Now, in this question, we have to write what is the use of mouse pointer. How is it used? It is used to point and select items on the computer screen. Now, children, mouse pointer is used to point and select items on the computer screen. What is selection? Clicking an icon on the desktop changes its color. This is called selection. Children, as I explained you, when we click any icon, it changes its color and that is called selection. So, let's see the answer once again. Clicking an icon on the desktop changes its color. While clicking an icon on the desktop, what happens? It changes its color, and this is called selection. What is it called? It is called selection. Now, question B. First, how many times do you press the mouse button for single click? Now, if you have to single click the mouse, how many times we will press it? We will press it 1 time. So, the answer is 1 time. Number 2, name the menu that appears on right clicking a mouse. Now, which menu appears on the right clicking of the mouse? Answer is right click menu or pop-up menu. It is called right click menu or it is called pop-up menu. Now, children, let's see the hard words of these questions. Okay, question number A. First, hard words are, it is used to point and select items on the computer screen. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Number 2. What is the selection? Selection means clicking an icon on the desktop changes its color. It is called selection. So, spelling of clicking, C-L-I-C-K-I-N-G. Spelling of desktop, D-E-S-K-T-O-P. Desktop. Color. COLOUR. Okay children, now question B. How many times do you press the mouse button for a single click? How many times we press the mouse button for a single click? Answer is one time. ONE, one. TIME, time. One time. Next question. Name the menu that appears on right clicking a mouse. Which menu appears on right clicking on the mouse? Right click menu or pop-up menu? RIGHT, right. CLICK, click. MENU, menu, or pop-up menu? POP, pop. UP, up. MENU, menu. Children, I hope you are doing all the book work with me in a beautiful handwriting. Now let's switch to next question. Question number C. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. First, a mouse is a dash device. Mouse is a dash device. A, talking. B, dancing, or C, pointing. Mouse is a pointing device. So option number C, we will mark tick on option number C. Number 2, the arrow head seen on the monitor is called dash. Okay children, the arrow which appears on the monitor screen is called A, hand, B, arrow, or C, pointer. What is it called? It is called pointer. So option number 3, C, pointer is the correct answer. Number 3, ball mouse is also called dash mouse. Now ball mouse is also called optical mouse, mechanical mouse, or simple mouse. Ball mouse is also called mechanical mouse. So option number B, we will tick on option number B. Next question number D. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. We have to write T if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. Number 1. There is no difference between left click and right click. Children, there is no difference between left click and right click. No, there is a big difference between left click and right click. And if we will click right, then right click or pop-up menu will appear. So this statement is false. Number 2, a mouse helps you to click and draw. Yes, with the help of mouse, what we do? We click and select items and it helps to draw pictures and play games. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Number 3, the pointer always moves towards the right side of the screen. Okay children, the pointer moves towards the right side of the screen? No, it moves in the direction where the cursor of the mouse moves. So this statement is false. We will write F over here. Number 4, a touch screen allows you to touch icons on the screen with your finger. Yes, with the if our mobile, if our monitor, if our display is touch screen, then what happens? It allows us to move the icons, to touch the icons with our finger. So this statement is true. We will write T over here. Next question E. Cross the odd one out. First, paint, selection, Internet Explorer, and arrow. Children, these all three are icons and this is an internet browser. So this is odd one out. We will do cross over here. Number 2, 3-button mouse, scroll mouse, 2-button mouse, and tablet. So which is the odd one out here? Tablet. So we will mark cross over here. Next, section B. Very short answer questions. What is the use of left click? Now in this question we have to write what is the use of left click. It is used to select an icon and give commands to the computer. Now left click is used to select an item and give commands to the computer. Number 2. Which mouse does not have a ball inside it? We have two types of mouse. One is mechanical mouse and one is optical mouse. Ball mouse, round mouse, and optical mouse. Which mouse does not have a ball inside it? Optical mouse. So answer is An optical mouse does not have a ball inside it. Which mouse does not have a ball inside it, children? Optical mouse. Number B, short answer questions. First, write two uses of a mouse. Here we have to write two uses of mouse. First, A mouse is used to point and select items on the screen. Mouse is used to point items and select items on the screen. Number B, it is also used to draw pictures and play games. Yes, with the help of mouse, we can draw pictures also and we can play games also. So, number 1 is it is used to point and select items, and number 2 is it is used to draw pictures and play games. Number 2, what is pop-up menu? Now, what is pop-up menu? A list of commands displayed on clicking the right mouse button once is called as pop-up menu. Now, children, a list of command that is displayed after clicking right, then it is known as clicking it right once, then it is known as pop-up menu. Now, children, I hope you have understood this bookwork well and you will do this bookwork in a very beautiful handwriting. Keep learning and keep studying. Thank you.